Hello, class. Good morning. It is Tuesday morning. You can see I'm in my usual spot, which is my dining room. I like this spot because it has all my books in it. And this is a hello video for week 3. So here we are in English 100S. I hope everyone has sent Jed an email and watched his little video. Jed is our tutor. Also, due today is the notes for week 3. So there it is. Week 3 notes, educate, submit here. Of course, most of our stuff is in the English 100 Canvas course. So now the Start Here button takes you to the week 3 module. I think it's important for everyone to make sure you go through the module step by step, because some people aren't getting everything done, and you want to just start at the beginning of that module, do what it says, and then click next. And if you just use that method, you won't miss anything. All right, week 3. We are 2 weeks away from the rough draft of Essay 1, so we're really starting to think about the essay. And I hope you and your families are doing all right. I know it's been hot and we have wildfire smoke, so it's a crazy time. That's it. I'll talk to you soon.